Hello friends and welcome back to HTML5 course. I am the instructor. My name is Waheed and today is our first class that we are going to start the new course of HTML5. And in this class we are going to just talk about HTML, what is HTML, why, and what is HTML stand for. So I have just created a small presentation using PowerPoint. You can see it. What's HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language popularly used by developers to design websites. As you can see here, HTML is a markup language. It is used by developers to create website, to design website. It is the language for www or World Wide Web. It is used for building website. So HTML is a World Wide Web language. It is used for creating or building website that can be as large as a corporate website or as small as a single web page, just like classroom project. By using HTML you can create a very big website, or you can create a small web page just like classroom project. Hypertext markup language was introduced in 1990. It means it was the first version of HTML, which was introduced in the 1990, and the latest version of HTML is HTML5, and it was introduced in 2012. The HTML document has .html extension. What does it mean? It means that while you're creating a HTML file, after saving that you need to give the name, and after the name you need to give the extension .html. It is necessary. What is the requirement to work on HTML? No requirement. You must have a software like Notepad, Notepad++, Dreamweaver, and any HTML code editor. You can find and download any of them just in a few steps from any browser that you are using. I myself am using Notepad++. I am recommending you that you should also use Notepad++, and you can see this Notepad++. We can work on Notepad also. So in every operating system we have Notepad like this. So you can just write your code here. So I'm just recommending you that you must download not Notepad++, and no need to install, just download and you can use. And in next step we have HTML basic text. So doc type HTML, you can see we have a bracket open, and after that exclamation mark, doc type, which is written in capital letter, and after that we have HTML, which is written in a small letter. It is a new tag in HTML5. It means it was not in previous version of HTML. So after that we have HTML starting tag and HTML closing tag at the end. So this called parent tag. HTML is a parent tag. Inside that we have head tag. Head is starting tag, head is closing tag. Inside the head tag we have title starting tag and title closing tag, and this is the title which is given for this web page. And we have body starting tag and body closing tag. So what is the difference between HTML or heading any tag, starting tag and closing tag? So what is the difference between starting and closing tag? In starting tag we have just a bracket open and bracket close, but in ending tag or closing tag we have a backslash after the starting bracket. You can see we have a backslash. So that is the difference. In next step we have course outline part 1. So HTML introduction that we are doing in this class right now, and in next step we will discuss about how to create a simple web page in HTML. So this will be our first our small project. HTML basic text we will discuss using paragraph and heading tags, inserting links in HTML, how we can create or insert links in HTML. What is marquee tag? For scrolling the text, link or images we can use the marquee tag. How to work with div tag, inserting images in HTML, inserting video and music, creating table, creating form, creating order and unordered list in HTML. Working with HTML iframe, we will discuss how to write comments in HTML, special tag such as a script tag, style tag, meta and link tag. We will discuss each of them in step by step. So in next step we have course outline part 2, website layout using table tag. In this course we will create just 3 websites. The first one is website layout, just using table tag we will create a website. Next step, website layout using div tags. So after that we will introduce HTML 5.0 introduction with it is new tag. So after that we will create a website just by using HTML5 and CSS3, and this website will be responsive. One more layout in HTML5 and CSS3, but we are not creating, we will do editing of this template. After all this, now you can create your own website. You are a web designer, congratulations. So in next class we will come back and we will discuss about how to create a simple web page in HTML. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.